How to find a user ID in Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find a user ID in Telegram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Telegram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Telegram app. Once you have done that, you just simply open your Telegram and then swipe down first so that you may be able to see the search for messages option right here. So search for user info bot. So as you can see right here, let's just do it again. You may be able to see this one with this logo, which is user info bot. So click on user info bot, and then once you click on the start button, you may be able to see your user ID. So let's just restart just like this one. So as you can see, you may be able to see your user ID right here. And then if you want to look for the user ID of other person, you may do so by going back to the chat section. Make sure first that that person has a message. So like this one, what you're going to do is to press and hold into their chat to any of their chat, go to forward and send it to user info bot. So once you send it to user info bot, click on send, wait for it, and then there you go. You may be able to see the ID of that person. So that's it. That's how you can find a user ID in Telegram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.